Hello, in front of me I've got Beoplay EX. In this video I'll show you how to manage gestures. In the beginning, make sure that your earbuds are connected with your smartphone. Take them out of the charging case and take a look at the left earbud. For volume down, press and hold button. For previous song, double press. For noise activation, press once. For right earbud, single press to play pause, press and hold for volume up, and double press for next song. And now gestures for calls. Left, right earbud. Incoming call, single press. End call, double press. Reject call, double press. Volume up, press and hold on the right earbud. Volume down, press and hold on the left earbud. For own voice or active noise cancellation, single press on the left earbud. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.